In this video, we're going to look into Talkpal AI. So the pros and cons of these and how good this is, like on how it's going to help you. So let's get started. Talkpal AI is basically an AI powered language tutor that lets you practice real conversations in different languages. So instead of just tapping random vocabulary words or matching sentence, you can actually talk with the AI through voice conversation, role play, even text chats as well. So it supports multiple languages and main focus is fluency and speaking confidence. Okay. So the good thing is that it actually helps you speak. Like that's the biggest advantage. Like most apps teach you about a language, but Talkball forces you to use it. So you're constantly forming sentence, responding naturally, and like practicing conversations. Like ordering coffee, booking hotels, job interviews, something like that. So you're learning with that, and the AI feels surprisingly natural. A lot of AI apps feel robotic, but these ones conversation are genuinely smooth most of the time, and it's great for busy people. So you don't need a full lesson schedule. You can literally open up the app for 10 minutes and practice speaking instantly, and it helps you like gets you a better speaking confidence. Like a lot of people understand the language, like, but on the downside here, I would say it's not perfect for deep grammar. So if you want extremely detailed grammar explanation, this probably might not be the only tool for you. And the AI occasionally might sound a bit repetitive, and also there's some features need premium subscription. The free version is decent, but most of the really useful features are behind the premium plan, which means you need to buy for it. So let's say if you're a beginner, this is honestly one of the least intimidating way to start speaking a new language. You don't feel judged, embarrassed, or overwhelmed. And if you already know the basics, this is where the talkball becomes really useful. It helps bridge the gap between I know the vocabulary and I can actually hold a conversation. So that's what it does actually, which is pretty good. So if you ask me if Talkpal is the perfect language learning app, I would say no, but it might be one of the most practical AI language tools available right now, especially for speaking practice.